Hello, my name is Mike Newsom and I am President of National Creditor Recovery Services, or NCRS for short. I appreciate your interest and I want to thank you for taking the time to view this video. Today I would like to introduce you to NCRS's Preference Analysis Program as a tool in support of debtor attorneys in bankruptcy cases with a substantial number of preferences to pursue. We have been working with and improving this program over the past 12 years with two key objectives. The first is to present a sound methodology to provide information regarding the affirmative defenses for preferences, including ordinary course of business and new value. Our methodology has been used successfully in thousands of cases to provide attorneys with an array of tools to assist them in pursuing recoveries. We have made numerous presentations on this methodology, including one at the ABI Southeast Conference. While we welcome a discussion of our methodology, this video, however, is focused on our second objective. That objective is to make the process of pursuing preferences more efficient. As witness to that, in the background, our program has completed about 4 analyses over the past couple of minutes. This work would have otherwise taken someone proficient in the use of spreadsheets about 4 hours to accomplish. While efficiency might not be the highest priority in bankruptcy work, we at NCRS believe that regardless of the business sector, if a company provides a better service at a lower price, that company will be successful. With that said, this video is targeting opportunities where costs matter. Certainly contingency-based preference work comes to mind. But moreover, when debtor money is short and time is of the essence, our program provides a great advantage over the conventional one-at-a-time analysis structure. NCRS efficiency begins with the data vetting, a task that all practitioners must undertake. Since we do most of our work with database technology, we can verify the data, isolate the vendors, and compile it into usable packages much faster than if these tasks were to be executed using spreadsheet technology. We are also experts in data mining and data conversion from text or PDF documents. You could say that the compiled data is just about a click away. You are now looking again at the front page of the Preference Analysis Program. After we have imported all of the data from our vetting program, we are ready to start producing exhibits related to the analyses of ordinary course. Again, with one click, analysis including 8 graphs and tables are produced and saved in folders named according to the respective companies. In addition, a series of invoice aging brackets are calculated that represent a sensitivity analysis of ordinary course. The number of analyses that can be run is virtually unlimited. In the past, we have done cases with several hundreds of companies in just a few hours. The next step is to take the invoice aging brackets and produce tables showing the combined effect of the ordinary course and new value defenses. The key features on this page include the function that stores the results of the individual analyses for producing a summary report and the ability to customize the analyses. Regarding customization, on a global basis, complete runs of all analyses can be obtained for various interpretations of new value application on a 1-day turnaround. The analyses can be run using all invoices as new value. They can be run using only open invoices as new value, and they can be run such that the invoices issued in the 20 days prior to the petition date can be eliminated from being used as new value according to a 503b9 interpretation. Also, custom brackets can be designated to modify the ordinary course bracket to numbers that the user feels offer additional insight. Let's now look at some results. First, let's look at what we call the Preference Master. This report shows the results of all analyses by displaying the total payments, preference amounts after the new value defense alone, and the preference amounts after several sensitivity brackets. This table is now sorted by the highest opportunity, so it is very helpful in prioritizing efforts and getting in the big money first. It can also be sorted by any of the variables in the table. Now let's go to the individual folders. Here there are 8 exhibits showing the characteristics of the payments, including the distribution graph, 6 sensitivity analyses, including the NCRS N model calculation, 1 exhibit showing the details of the payments, and many more exhibits showing various other bits of information. The last point to be discussed is how this program can be used in negotiating preferences. The exhibits can provide powerful backup to the assignment of an ordinary course measured in invoice aging. Also, in response to ordinary course defenses presented by the vendor, NCRS can analyze the resultant preference and present a comparative analysis. In addition, NCRS can examine the data to determine easily any tipping points with respect to boundaries of the ordinary course brackets. I hope that this information has been helpful, and I would welcome any questions. My contact information is on the screen, and once again, thank you for your time.